Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been struggling to grow your social media accounts, get more followers, or drive targeted traffic to your offers without spending hours creating content or showing your face, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a revolutionary AI-powered tool called AutoBuzz that takes the heavy lifting off your plate by automating your social media engagement in a way that actually works. Imagine having an AI assistant that scrolls through the hottest posts in your niche, leaves authentic, meaningful comments, and draws real interested followers straight to your profile, all while you focus on other parts of your business. No more spending time on content creation or complex ad campaigns. AutoBuzz is designed to do all the hard work for you and generate organic growth on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and even blogs and emails. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, influencer, small business owner, or just someone who wants to build a strong online presence fast, AutoBuzz offers a hands-off, set-and-forget solution that can save you countless hours and help you build a genuine audience. I'll walk you through how it works, what makes it unique, the features that stand out, and why it's one of the best investments you can make in 2025 to grow your social media the smart way. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my latest reviews, tips, and AI marketing hacks. Also, check the description below for a special link to try AutoBuzz for yourself. Let's get started. AutoBuzz is a next-generation, AI-powered automation tool built specifically to help you grow your social media audience without ever posting content, running paid ads, or spending hours online. It's designed to solve one of the biggest pain points creators, affiliate marketers, and online entrepreneurs face: getting attention and followers organically and doing it at scale. But here's what makes AutoBuzz different. Instead of posting or scheduling content like other social media tools, it works by engaging with high-performing posts in your niche. The AI scans trending and viral posts that your target audience is already commenting on, then posts smart, human-like comments under those posts from your account. These comments are carefully crafted to spark curiosity, drive engagement, and attract clicks back to your own profile, landing page, or offer. Think of it like this: the hottest traffic online is already gathering around viral content. AutoBuzz taps into that stream by putting your voice right in the conversation without you lifting a finger. It's like having a virtual growth assistant that's out there 24/7 networking, engaging, and bringing attention to your brand, even while you sleep. And because it doesn't rely on flashy graphics, trending reels, or consistent posting, it's perfect for people who want to grow quietly and efficiently, especially affiliate marketers, service providers, coaches, agencies, and solopreneurs. Even better, AutoBuzz doesn't just work on one platform. It's built to engage audiences across Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and even blogs, forums, and emails, meaning you can generate organic traffic from almost anywhere your audience hangs out. And the best part? You never have to create a single post or video yourself. It's truly one of the most hands-off and innovative ways to build authority, visibility, and income online without burning out. AutoBuzz AI is packed with intelligent features that make it far more than just another social media automation tool. What sets it apart is how smartly and seamlessly it operates behind the scenes, doing the heavy lifting of audience engagement while keeping everything completely hands-off for the user. One of the most powerful features is its AI-driven comment engine, which leverages advanced natural language processing and machine learning to craft comments that are relevant, human-like, and tailored to your brand's voice. This isn't generic bot spam, it's smart, authentic engagement that sounds like it came from a real person. Whether your tone is casual, professional, witty, or bold, you can set the personality you want AutoBuzz to use, and it will adapt all its activity accordingly. The platform also includes a fully customizable brand voice setup. During the onboarding process, you define your style, tone, and goals, and AutoBuzz uses this data to craft comments that match your brand identity perfectly. You don't have to worry about sounding robotic or out of place. Every comment is crafted to feel natural, fit the context of the post, and provoke curiosity or engagement from readers, drawing their attention to you. What makes AutoBuzz even more powerful is its ability to target trending, high-engagement posts in your specific niche. Instead of randomly engaging with unrelated content, the AI seeks out the kind of posts your ideal audience is already paying attention to. It then inserts you into those conversations in a subtle but effective way. This ensures you're not just getting any traffic, but the right traffic, people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Tool supports multi-platform integration, so you can run campaigns on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and beyond, all from a single dashboard. This centralized approach saves a huge amount of time, especially if you're managing multiple brands, offers, or clients. There's also built-in analytics, giving you clear insights into which comments are driving clicks, which platforms are performing best, and how your engagement is growing over time. Another feature that stands out is API key support. If you already have access to ChatGPT or Claude, you can plug in your own API keys for an even more personalized experience. This lets you control the exact tone, complexity, and creativity of the responses AutoBuzz generates, making the tool incredibly flexible and developer-friendly for more advanced users. The entire interface is clean and easy to navigate with no steep learning curve. Even if you're brand new to AI tools or social automation, you can be up and running in less than 10 minutes. The setup process walks you through everything in a clear and logical way. Define your voice, connect your platforms, select your niche, and go. All of these features come together to form a powerful, intelligent system that helps you grow your brand in the background. You don't need to post, record videos, or even log in every day. Once it's configured, AutoBuzz handles everything: commenting, targeting, engaging, and attracting new followers to your profile or offers. Using AutoBuzz is incredibly straightforward, even for complete beginners, thanks to its intuitive 3-step setup process. Once you sign in, the first step is to define your brand voice. The platform provides a guided onboarding experience where you select the tone and style you want your comments to reflect, whether that's friendly, professional, cheeky, persuasive, or something in between. This customization ensures that the AI-generated comments sound like they're coming directly from you or your brand, making engagement feel personal and authentic. After setting your brand voice, the next step is connecting your social media profiles. You choose the platforms you want to grow and identify the specific niches, hashtags, or content categories that are relevant to your audience. The AI then scans top-performing and highly engaged posts in those categories and prepares intelligent, context-aware comments that are aligned with your goals. You can choose to approve these comments manually or set them to run on full automation. Once everything is set up, AutoBuzz works silently in the background. It runs 24/7, consistently engaging with viral posts that your ideal audience is already reacting to. As your comments appear in high-visibility spots under trending content, curious users begin clicking on your profile, checking out your links, and potentially becoming followers, leads, or customers. This automated engagement strategy brings continuous exposure and traffic to your brand without any content creation, posting, or ad spend. Whether you're sleeping, working on other projects, or completely offline, AutoBuzz keeps building your visibility and influence with zero extra effort on your part. AutoBuzz is offering an exceptional deal that flips the traditional pricing model on its head. You can lock in lifetime access today for a one-time payment of just $27. That's right, no monthly fees, no hidden costs, and no recurring subscriptions. For a single payment, you get full access to the AutoBuzz platform, allowing you to leverage AI-powered engagement to grow your audience, drive traffic, and save hours every single week. With your $27 investment, you get a monthly quota of up to 100 AI-generated comments, each strategically placed on trending, high-engagement posts in your chosen niche. You also get access to a clean, user-friendly dashboard where you can monitor performance, track growth, and make adjustments as needed, all without any technical know-how. But what truly sets AutoBuzz apart is the confidence behind its guarantee. If, within the first 60 days, you decide the tool isn't for you, for any reason at all, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. And if you actually use the software, follow the process, and still don't get results after working with their support team, they will go a step further and offer a double your money back guarantee. That means they'll pay you $54 back on a $27 purchase, just for giving it a genuine try. This makes trying AutoBuzz 100% risk-free and potentially profitable, even if you change your mind. And that's a wrap-up of our deep dive into AutoBuzz, one of the smartest, easiest, and most affordable ways to grow your social media presence in 2025 without ever creating content, posting videos, or spending money on ads. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, content creator, business owner, or just someone looking to build a passive traffic stream, this tool gives you a real edge. If you're tired of chasing trends, struggling with low engagement, or just want to simplify your growth strategy, AutoBuzz is definitely worth trying, especially at the current one-time price of just $27. With a generous 100-comment monthly quota, a user-friendly dashboard, and a double your money-back guarantee, there's really nothing to lose, and a whole lot of attention, traffic, and time to gain. The link to grab AutoBuzz is right there in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, share it with someone who needs this, and subscribe to the channel for more AI tools, affiliate hacks, and online income strategies delivered straight to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.